Most people are now aware that indoor air pollution is an issue of growing concern and increased visibility. Many companies are marketing products and services intended to improve the quality of your indoor air. You have probably seen an advertisement, received a coupon in the mail, or been approached directly by a company offering to clean your air ducts as a means of improving your home's indoor air quality. Indoor air quality is important for every home. Air ducts help to regulate and transport this air to every room of the home for comfortable living. However, these ducts are known to become filthy over time. This leads to unhealthy conditions for you and your family. Cleaning your air ducts might not be the most enjoyable task, but it's necessary. Procrastinating on this duty only makes matters worse, and before long, you're looking at a major issue in your home. Let's take a look at the importance of air duct cleaning. Air duct cleaning is the process of clearing debris from air ducts, registers, grills, and other components of a forced air system. Since the ducts are hidden behind walls and above ceilings, the only way to effectively clean them is using a rotary brush. No other method guarantees a complete clean. We recommend more frequent duct cleaning if you have indoor pets or are sensitive to indoor air quality. You should also have your ducts cleaned if you have recently renovated your home, as this will increase the amount of dust in your forced air system. The air passing through the ducts is the same air your family breathes each day. Left unchecked, ducts can harbor allergens like pollen and pet dander, which can re-enter your living space through the supply registers. Though these particles aren't necessarily a health hazard, they can pose problems for people who have asthma, allergies, or other respiratory issues. Having your air ducts cleaned will help improve air quality and keep your air free of airborne particles. In addition, you are removing them from the air. Specks of dust and dirt fill the air otherwise and make it more difficult to breathe. Dirty air leads to coughing fits and other serious reactions. Although you might not have asthma, guests to your home might, and you want to provide them with the most comfortable experience possible. Some people turn to air purifiers at the first sign that the air has been contaminated. While this is certainly an option, you're better off finding a resolution at the source: your air ducts. In addition, prolonged exposure to contaminants is dangerous in itself. You've probably inhaled dirty air before, but not for a long period of time. Maybe it was at a construction site or when your sink regurgitated some nasty chemicals. But your air ducts are here to stay, and permanently dirty ducts lead to a much higher chance of infection. For the sake of inhaling pure oxygen, don't forget to wipe your ducts. Dirty ducts contain millions of tiny dust and dirt particles. These particles travel through the air and eventually come to rest on your furniture. Think about it. Are you alright with contaminants lining the surface of your sofa, chairs and desk? Probably not, which means you should clean your air ducts for the sake of living in a clean home. Because these particles are microscopic, you can't simply look at your couch to see if it is unsanitary. You have to trust that your air ducts tell the full story and clean them regularly. Specks of dirt might not seem too harmful on the seat of your chair. However, that's not the only place they can fall. Imagine if these dirt particles fall into your cup of water or food. Even if your air ducts are far from the kitchen, you have no control over where the particles fall. They can easily travel from one room to another and settle on edible things. You would never willingly bring mud or sludge into your home, so why have a tolerance for contaminants from your air ducts? Clean up the ducts on a regular basis and take pride in the cleanliness of your home. If you have air ducts in your home, there's a good chance that you have an AC as well. These items make an incredible pairing where the AC unit generates cool air and the duct disperses it around your home. When your air ducts are clean, your AC will be able to do its job more efficiently. Because the air can travel freely, the unit doesn't have to work as hard to cool your home's temperature. In turn, this will consume less electricity and save you money on your monthly utilities bill. There's even a possibility that you might be inclined to not even use the AC at all. When your home feels sticky and unpleasant, some people immediately turn the AC system on in hopes of solving the issue. Although this usually works, it doesn't really get to the root of the problem. The true source of the problem might lie within your dirty air ducts. Instead of trying to blow dust particles away with the AC, clean the ducts and get rid of them in the first place. This is a much more sustainable solution in the long run. In order to ensure the air quality of your home is clean and healthy for you and your family, it is important to schedule regular air duct treatments. Air ducts should be cleaned once every 1 to 3 years, depending on your living environment for residential and commercial. The way your air ducts are maintained has a large impact on your air quality and longevity of your heating and cooling units. When cleaned regularly, your air ducts will not only be cleaner, but will last longer, too. Duct cleaning has never been shown to actually prevent health problems. Neither do studies conclusively demonstrate that particle levels in homes increase because of dirty air ducts or go down after cleaning. This is because much of the dirt that may accumulate inside air ducts adheres to duct surfaces and does not necessarily enter the living space. It is important to keep in mind that dirty air ducts are only one of many possible sources of particles that are present in homes. Pollutants that enter the home both from outdoors and indoor activities such as cooking, cleaning, smoking, or just moving around can cause greater exposure to contaminants than dirty air ducts. Moreover, there is no evidence that a light amount of household dust or other particulate matter in air ducts poses any risk to health. If you think duct cleaning might be a good idea for your home, but you are not sure, talk to a professional. The company that services your heating and cooling system may be a good source of advice. You may also want to contact professional duct cleaning service providers and ask them about the services they provide. RC Duct Cleaning is a leading air duct and dryer vent cleaning company in Washington, D.C. We have the equipment and training to do the best possible job of cleaning and decontaminating your entire air duct system. This series of steps will ensure that your air system is thoroughly and properly cleaned. Click the first link in the description to get a free quote.